I know you guys don't give a shit about things like that, so I'm making sure I'm reminding you guys that I give a shit about things. Let's start this thing, bro.
Oh, you just locked yourself in?
Fucking idiots.
We can't hear shit, man.
Complete your first challenge.
You cannot hear a goddamn.
You won't be able to quench
You
your
can't hear a
thirst.
goddamn thing you're saying.
Your smoothie awaits EbZ.
This is so scuffed. I don't hear shit. You got a challenge. Fix your audio, bring us some water. Let's communicate and get this challenge just going on.
My hand is really starting to hurt here, so we gotta figure this shit out ASAP, dude.
Get that. It's like SFW news, bro.
Go to your library, private library.
Alright, yo, everybody wants the news. Okay, I'll give you the news. Hold
What is
on.
this?
Okay, you are the
I think we probably have to get out of the chains first.
Right. That's the first to understand what they're saying.
I don't know what we're supposed to be doing, honestly. There's a box of keys.
Audio has currently been muted from this. It will resume as soon as we have fixed.
Ain't nobody understand a goddamn thing coming out your motherfucking mouth. You might as well just use your regular voice, bro.
Dude, there's like 100 keys. Dude, what the hell? EbZ, hurry up! Help me out, dude. My arm is falling asleep. It's red and it's in pain right now.
That's crazy.
Dude, it's in pain. What do you mean that's crazy? My arm is in fucking pain, dude. My arm is slowly losing blood flow. I think I know what he's saying.
He was gonna look for something inside of your butt, huh?
I think I know what he's insinuating here. EbZ.
Go ahead, tell me already.
I think the key is inside my butt.
Okay.
I think that's what he's trying to say.
Alrighty. So how we're gonna get it out of your butt? Tell me.
Well, considering I'm sitting here chained up, EbZ, there's only one person who's got a free hand, and that's you. Oh! Oh! Oh, thank God. That hurts so much.
Hey, I too are one of my favorite streamers.
Okay.
You're really a cool dude, and I
Thank
hope
fuck.
you never stop streaming.
Thank you, dude. What kind of key is this? Master Lock Co.
Are we getting food over here, by the way?
Y'all need a better process for trying to keep considering this.
My back hurts.
When you get to the end, you must attach the new padlock to the red link on your chain and attach that to the new wire. This will happen on each intersection. Please follow these rules or there will be consequences.
Alright, so when we get to the end, we have to put that padlock on before we release this
Learning
padlock.
shit on purpose.
The key for the lock looks like a skeleton.
Try this one. That looks like a skeleton to me.
Why not turn off the light so scary?
Thank fuck! Look at all this shit. Fucking bullshit. We got it.
On the floor are 4 equations. They are algebra. You must work out what the x in each equation equals. Then in front of you, you point the laser to that number. The laser will then point to the number on the wall, and that will be the first number for the combination.
Oh no. 17x minus 12 equals 114. So we have to find what x is in that equation. So 17 minus 12, how do we make that equal a 114?
17.
So 17 plus 12.
I need to think quietly. I can't think when I'm talking.
But I'm a talking thinker. I have to talk out loud to think.
Then you do the thing.
Move the wooden block with the laser pointer into the circle.
Alright, move the laser.
Point it towards one of the numbers and see where the laser points so you understand the mechanism.
Alright, so put the block in the circles here, and then just point the laser, turn it on and see so you understand the mechanism.
Okay.
Don't even tell me how to solve it, just tell me the answers. Because bro, I don't understand math in the slightest. I was taking Algebra 1 in college. Point the lasers to the number, dude. So we don't forget. It's at 9, 7, something, 17.
You know what? Why don't we do this thing well?
Because I don't remember what the fuck the donator just says. Why is it repeating itself? Whoever's monitoring my computer sucks at it.
Can you confirm that you understand how the puzzle works?
No, that's what we asked. I said, what's the sequence of events?
Nice voice changer,
We're gonna
bro.
answer 30
Can you
minutes later.
confirm that you understand how the puzzle works?
Fucking no. How do we hold all 4 lasers down on the number? It makes no fucking sense.
I'm pointing it. Something's supposed to glow out of it.
You guys are fucking retarded.
Oh shit.
This is the conflict.
Okay, go ahead.
The first laser pointer in the top left-hand circle. Turn the laser on. Move it to each of the answers until the laser points at the number 2 on the wall. Number 2 is the first combination for the old padlock. Put it on the first circle. Put it at the answers until it shines at number 2 on the wall. This is how it works. Whatever answer it is pointing at is the answer to the algebra.
We're pointing it at number 9, and it's not pointing to nothing. But then again, don't forget, it is a laser beam. It's not ricocheting, unfortunately, off the wall. There we go.
Number 2 is the correct answer for the first section of the
Okay, is there a 9 up there?
Are you having going to puberty, bro? It's behind the pipe. Dude, I didn't see it though. It's behind the pipe. Oh, you just locked yourself in? Fucking idiot, dude. Fucking dumbass. Just locked your ass. Hold on, let's get him. Here, let's get him. Let's get him. Come on, let's go. Go tour. Let's get him, EbZ.
Fucking idiots.
2, 6, 3 is correct.
I knew that. I knew it though. I knew it.
Another one.
Wait, what was it?
2638.
2638. How did that one guy know it? Alright, what the fuck is this, dog?
The next challenge is pretty self-explanatory. Get past the metal chain. Good luck.
Maybe we don't have to unlock that, because that seems useless.
This is a physical challenge.
Shit. Stop. Yeah, it hurts. Grab the chain. There you go.
Nice! Alright, now it's my turn. You got me?
I tried.
Okay. Fuck. Okay, we got it. Yeah. High five. Fuck. That was rough. How about we just chill for a sec and relax? We're sweating. Look at you. You look like you came out of the sauna.
I know.
The light. Why'd you do that? Okay, there's no need for that, dude. We haven't cheated. We haven't done anything. We've been listening to everything you've been saying. Well, I thought we'd get out of here. I'll be darker than you, EbZ. Oh, a bunch of dark on me. A bunch of dirt. What is that? See, we're nice. Look at us, dude. We're nice. That is food. Outstanding Cheeto. You know, they're not that hot.
Alright, are they gonna get burgers down here or something?
My body needs more hotter than Cheetos.
But it's a challenge, it's not a suicide moment. Yeah, this motherfucker.
You want burgers from Morton's Steakhouse?
Wow.
There's a 5-star Gordon Ramsay restaurant down the street.
This looks more like internet content searching. I know you guys don't give a shit about things like that, so I'm making sure I'm reminding you guys that I give a shit about things like that.
You're now 7 years old. You can go to use that food and drive and remain in.
Bruh, you just ripped it
You
off.
only slapped everyone once young.
Why did you do that? We didn't cheat. The agreement was we only did that if we cheated. We didn't cheat.
Listen to me carefully. Stop being little bitches. This isn't funny games. This isn't a walk at the park. This is torture.
Where's the food? Is the food coming? Are we getting burgers?
Please. Stop. Please stop talking about progress. I don't want to get shocked.
Food?
I don't want to get shocked again.
That's what
Stop
caused
talking
it.
about the damn food.
That's what caused it, though. Are we getting food?
No! Stop talking about food!
What is it? How old is these shit been sitting in your room, Paul?
Like 4 days.
Let's just give it our best. I don't want to give it the whole 24 hours. That'll be wasting my time. Let's give it our best.
Looks like Ebenezer got hurt. Somebody call him.
Well, we should do it our best.
Nothing on this wall.
Bro, you keep running your mouth, I'm gonna get shocked more. It's not funny. No, give me those chips. It's not funny, dude. Like it's fun. Hey, what is that? Who is that? Bro, there's food right there and a drink. Thanks, psychopath, for putting food outside the damn garage. You're real funny, you know that? What do we do with this box here? We got numbers that are circled, some with pyramids.
The code is written in the box. This is not a math problem. The code is written in the box. It's not just in the box.
3 numbers as pyramids, 3 numbers as circles, and 3 numbers that are underlined.
How do you do it, though? When you find the right number.
We're gonna start at 0.
There's number 4 on the lock.
Cheeseburger, Big Mac, Big Mac, Whopper.
That sounds good right now, doesn't it? 20 is probably another number.
Numbers. Proof of scuff Jigsaw. Use the box.
13, 35, 25. 25. Oh! You're a sneaky, conniving motherfucker. Giving us a fake piece of paper with fake numbers. Let's go. Oh my god. I think we fucked ourselves. We put the lock on wrong. So I don't think he's gonna fit through this fucking thing right here. What is that? Why do you need that for? Easy enough. You do this a lot, don't you? Your dungeon's so impenetrable. You keep locking yourself in. Okay, it's locked. Well, since you're down here already, why don't you tell us what to do? Okay. Bro, what is this? There's like nails and shit. We're gonna have to crawl through this fucking contraption.
This is supposed to be entertaining, not putting me in a situation where I'm wondering if I should be putting my foot down or not. Don't kill the fucking morale. Keep it entertaining. Bring the fucking food, bring some water. Let's keep the challenges going. You kill that, you kill the whole fucking thing. Like, give them the water, give them the food. There are challenges in front of them. Let them go through the challenges. What are we arguing about a fucking collar shock for? Man, you about to make me say, gotta get me out of these fucking chains. The fuck is this?
Alright. Well, I guess no food done for us.
If you want to do a show, we could do a show. You don't have to. This is like, come on.
You're out. You don't know all of around. It's only just a guy.
Where's the next challenge? I thought we were going through challenges as soon as possible. Now we're stopped talking about food that is not even coming.
Someone with gator skin doesn't demand food.
Get a seat!
Lowell, someone wants to get something from ISIS
No.
to the community. ISIS doing this with EbZ.
Would you like some?
No. It's supposed to be guys take us food, continue the challenge. Not food might be here, maybe we'll throw it outside the door.
But there's actually food right here, though.
That's fine. This is jumping off a cliff.
Here you go, you can see.
I'm not gonna eat you. Come on, why would I do that to you?
I didn't even touch it.
You even got the sandwich first.
I didn't touch it.
No, I wouldn't do that to you.
You can have it.
No.
Well, I guess in that case, I'll eat it. What is that? What are you doing? Why do you always come down here when it says Alabama something, dude? You're always randomly down here, right when it goes off. You're doing that shit on purpose, aren't you? Look, you got food.
Continue on your path. Make your way along the water. It's okay when you get to the end to smash out the wall or the back of the box.
What does that even mean? Okay. The shit on the floor is too sticky to move. Okay. Slowly. Do not lift your head up or you're gonna get stabbed by nails.
Look at this shit. Look at this guy's body. What are you, a bird? Can you guys see it? I can't even see what I'm saying.
I might just be a bird, EbZ. Sometimes you just gotta grab it, just say fuck it, and do it. What is this? It's a hole. What is that? What is this for? We didn't even have to. Wait, what?
There's no key here. There's no key here.
Well, there has to be. Where's the key?
Well, that's stupid. Let's go to the other side.
Hold on.
Guys, come on, get this thing off of me, man.
Oh, wait, are you done?
Yeah, that's it.
No, you can't end it like that.
Hey, Sam, let's stop this thing, Paul. Let's stop this thing, Paul.
EbZ, you can't give up. You can't pussy out just quite yet. It's worth it all in the end, EbZ. It's worth it in the end, trust me. You're doing this for me. You're doing this for everyone. You're doing this for EbZCon. I'm not feeling it either, dude. Come on.
I know this is tough, EbZ, and it's not what you normally do. But you're doing well. You just need the power through. Let's get this, boys.
You know what he said?
He said, we made a lot of money. We just need to power through. Let's get this. Find it. It's got a thing.
But we're wasting time, though. It's just killing the morale, man.
There's no key in here, obviously. Where's
Check the bucket IT has a false fire.
But then we can have to go back to the other side.
This is exactly why ICE is successful and EbZ is not. It all comes down to your mindset. ICE has perseverance and heart. He hasn't been right. EbZ has a broken mindset, but he's full of excuses.
I think the key, there's a reason why he doesn't want us to lift the bucket. I think the bucket has a false floor, EbZ. We have to stick our hand in the pee bucket and remove the floor.
False fire. Crawl back through and check the bottom of the bucket.
What do you think that's to say?
I mean, I'm not grabbing you in your pee. I'm not sticking my hand where your pee is. You have to do that.
Gate scheme.
But these are the kind of things I don't like being part of, though, you know? It's like somebody will set you up to eat your own feces so they can sit somewhere and laugh.
You got it?
Oh, thank God.
Gate scheme.
The next challenge is pretty self-explanatory. Look inside the bucket.
Okay. I mean, I guess. I mean, how? We have to figure out how to get it in the bucket.
No! Gate scheme.
Great thinking.
Right foot more, and then bring it in. You use your right foot to grab the other. Beautiful. There's no key here.
What's that? Has to be.
There's no key here, man.
Conductor, we have a problem.
There is no question. There is no escape. Find the key or you'll stay.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done with the challenge, okay? Okay, who do you think you're talking to? Telling me about what the fuck I need to do. I don't need to do shit. The game is over. Fuck the game. Let's get out of this shit. I'm not doing anything anymore. I'm done playing. You don't fucking know.
The key! The key! The key! You found the key!
I found the goddamn key!
You found the key! You found the key!
But he didn't fucking even know if it was there or not.
It was right there. It was right where his hand is. EbZ, there's only 2 more challenges. See, when you bitch enough, we find the key. Can we get somebody to film? Because, like, the viewers can't even see what the fuck is going on with this whole contraption you got here, so... What's next, asshole?
You might want to step back to get a wider shot.
He's probably trying to say, look up on the bucket, dude. Whatever the fuck that's supposed to be. This one.
Above you is a red ring. Putting this ring will turn the bucket upside down. On the bottom of the bucket is the code to remove the old lock. To remove the old lock, you just pull the ring to look on the bottom of the bucket. Good luck.
You're a professional climber. How did it not get on you at all? What is that?
Urine. That's the urine.
No.
It is.
That's not urine. rolling, dude. That really is urine, isn't it?
I'm not playing anymore, man. I'm not playing anymore. I don't want to play this kind of nonsense. This is the kind of shit I'll sit on the side and watch it with a laugh on my face. And being recorded by, you got thousands of people watching you looking so pathetic. Come on, man. That's not my kind of show. Good for you.
2, 1, 4.
You learn to adapt.
In the lock. Make it release. You ready to move back down the wire. Instead of stretching out the lock.
Oh, goddamn!
In the lock to release them.
This is the last one.
EbZ. Just trying to teach you to adapt. That's all it is. And you did.
You really did. Because for Christ's sake, we're at the last lock, and I had to adapt all the way
you
through.
did it!
And keep in mind, you like these kind of challenges. I don't.
I don't like this.
I definitely adapted when I see where I've been.
I don't like this. You think I like this
Yes,
shit?
you do, Paul. You could just see. You should have seen how fast you built into that motherfucking thing.
What are we? We got the fucking keys.
This is the only clue you will get. So listen closely. You two ladies want to have a look at yourselves. You two want to have a look at yourselves.
So, this is a clue.
Remember, pain is temporary, and greatness lasts forever. When you feel like quitting, remember that the pain you feel today will be replaced with the strength to be.
Hear that?
I missed the last part.
Pain is only temporary.
I know.
By the end of this, you'll be fucking happy you did it. You know why? You can say you did it. You're not a pussy, nor are you a quitter. You'll have more pride and more proud. You'll be proud of yourself. Trust me, EbZ. Looking for a combination with pennies and bolts or nuts. But I don't know what that's supposed to mean, though. 2-5.
Break the mirror, break the mirror, Berkati.
Break the mirror. Why is that make sense? There's a mirror that's right there, coincidentally, where we need to be, with a bunch of nuts and a bunch of pennies.
Okay.
I think we have to knock the mirror down with all the nuts. Yes! 19, look at that. 19, 25, 25. Whoever said to break the mirror, you're a fucking genius. Yeah, you're real funny, aren't you? There you go. That's it. Real funny, ain't it? Real funny. Oh, yeah. Here you go, you can see. Here. I don't even smoke cigarettes, but I need it after that.
Well, I hope you boys learn a few things during these trials.
No, it was damn long, Bob!
Yeah, run. We did it though. We fucking did it though.
I honestly thought that was going to take 24 hours. I'm real happy that it didn't. Holy shit, that was terrible as aims. Well, EbZ, now that you got that done out of the way, we go see.
You part of by myself?
We go see how much that made for EbZCon, and then, you know, whatever that made, I'll add a little bit on top, and then boom, EbZCon is a go. That's the numbers. Fucking, we got boom, 14, 323 today. Yesterday, we go 23 to 8878. So $5,056 made for EbZCon. So I'll add a little bit on top of that. Should be able to get a pretty good venue with that, plus a little bit extra. So, but hey, I hope you all enjoyed that. That was definitely an interesting concept, and I hope that we executed pretty well. So, I don't know. I'll see y'all later. Fucking peace out, and
thank you very much.
Love you, and see you tomorrow.